So currently Iran and the P5+1 group of countries are negotiating to try and hammer out the final details of a nuclear agreement. This would limit Iran's nuclear program and provide sanctions relief for Iran in turn. If a deal is agreed in the coming days, then we would expect that Iran would take some months to comply with the initial conditions of a deal, and then we would expect sanctions relief to start from early 2016. Well, for the economy, this would have wide-ranging effects. Firstly, crude oil exports, which have been approximately halved since 2011 under international sanctions, would start to rebound. So we expect that crude oil exports would increase by 700,000 barrels a day by the end of 2016. Now, although oil prices now are relatively low and likely to stay low in 2016, the increase in volumes of exports would provide a welcome boost to the government's finances and kickstart the economy. Another factor that would be positive for Iran is that it would start to access some of its oil revenue that's frozen abroad that it hasn't been able to repatriate. This would also help the central bank's reserves and help exchange rate stability, which has been a problem for the economy in recent years. Well, Iran would provide a tantalizing, albeit difficult, investment destination for international companies as sanctions are lifted. The case for Iran is quite compelling. Nominal GDP at market exchange rates of more than 400 billion, and a population of 80 million people, a slightly youthful demographic, and also with decent education levels. And Iran has also got a diversified economy. It's more diverse than many of the other oil producers in the region. So there's quite a compelling macro picture for Iran. Since the interim deal at the beginning of 2014, companies have been looking to return to the market. Automotive companies, consumer goods retail, tourism-related companies, as well as those selling information technology, aircraft, capital goods and other industrial supplies. So it's really across a whole gamut of sectors that companies are quite excited.